Hello, class. Welcome to week 2 of psychopathology. I hope you're enjoying the reading and learning thus far. This week, we will be focusing and honing in a little more on different types of anxiety disorders, mood disorders or depressive disorders, as well as somatic disorders, those of which affect the physicality of our body and our somatic symptoms. And there can be overlap with some of these disorders as well, and so we'll be learning about nuanced similarities and differences of the different mental health conditions. We'll be focusing on what we understand to be some etiology or origins of these conditions, what the symptoms truly look like in regards to the diagnostic manual or the DSM-5. We'll be looking at different efficacious treatments for these conditions. And then in this week's learning and what's expected of you this week for the discussion post, we'll be having you choose a camp of either psychotherapy treatment or psychiatric medication treatment. And you'll be, based on your last name, supporting and strengthening the argument of how that's helpful for some of the conditions this week. In addition, one of your assignments that's due will actually be a video presentation. And we'd like for you to choose one of the disorders reviewed this week, but something different than what you're doing than the disorder you're choosing to focus on throughout this course to work towards the final presentation. So please choose something different than what you've already written about, and do a thorough video presentation, again, on the origins of that specific condition or etiology, what the symptoms look like, treatments that help, any impact biologically on the condition. So have fun with that. Don't forget to include literature on the presentation slides, and to have some sort of visual, video element of the presentation. If there's questions, again, on any of these assignments or learning, don't hesitate to reach out to me via email, or know that I could also make myself available for phone or video if needed as well. And then the last assignment that's due this week is going to be a paper, and you're going to look at different behavioral and cognitive treatments, and you're going to apply them to your condition that you're going deeper with throughout this course. There are wonderful behavioral different types of interventions and theoretical orientations, as well as cognitive. And so please go into depth with how those could help the particular symptoms of that condition you chose to focus on. So I hope this makes sense. Again, this week, we're looking under the umbrella of anxiety disorders, depressive disorders, and somatic disorders, and learning, going into depth with those. I hope you enjoy the reading. Thank you for those that are applying American Psychological Association formatting to your written work and including research articles. There are wonderful psychology websites that reference social science research, but I'd like for you to definitely, in your assignments and discussion posts, include some original research yourself besides just psychology websites. Let me know if you have any questions about that too. All right. I look forward to reading more of your work this week, and I'm almost done grading work from this past week, and you've been doing a great job so far. Thank you, and I will post a video again next week as well. Take care.